Hey y'all, this is Vicky giving you a shout out from Houston, Texas. I want to thank you and welcome you to my YouTube channel. This is a new venture for me, so I'm sure I've got a lot of learning ahead of me, so please be patient with me as I try this new form of social media. For those that don't know me, I have been a working mother and wife since the day that I married. I was lucky enough to gain a bonus son when I married my husband. And so for the last many years, we have juggled family and tried to be money conscious, and I have looked for different ways to save money and also to decorate and organize my house. So I've been encouraged by a lot of my friends and family, since I am not currently working a real job. I'm a stay-at-home wife now, I guess you can call me, to start this YouTube channel so I can share some of my ideas with you. So I hope you enjoy what I'm going to share with you. My decorating style is kind of a rustic farmhouse decor, and that may not be generally your style that you want in your house, but hopefully you can find some decorating ideas that you can incorporate in your house. But I'm also going to show you money saving tips and different ways to organize your house. So one of the goals of my YouTube channel is to keep the videos under 5 minutes. I know when I was working outside the house, it was very difficult for me to watch a video that was 10, 15, 20 minutes because I just didn't feel like I had that much time to spare. So when I make my videos, I'm just going to kind of give you an overview of what I do, or an overview of where I've saved money. And then if you actually want more details, just leave me a comment and I'll be glad to share it with you. So to start my YouTube channel, I am going to start with a 14-day Valentine challenge. So I'm going to try to share with you 14 different decorating ideas that I have used in my home. Now typically I buy most of my items either at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, the Dollar Tree, Target, and Big Lots. I find that we have the best sales there. It's very rare that I don't use a coupon or a sale, so I will share those items with you as well. So again, thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoy what I'm going to share with you, and I ask that you be safe and healthy until next time.